Good day, everyone. My name is Mark Spindler, instructor for the KWEST warehousing program here at Solomon College. And today you are watching the packing video, the third video in a series of 4 about warehousing from home. We will first talk about packing using scanners, and then second, we will talk about packing using a warehouse management system that we made for free using Microsoft Excel. So let's start learning. All right, so the first thing that you'll do is on your scanner, you will click on the pack function inside of your warehousing application, and then you will scan your sales order number, beep, okay, and then you will open that box. This will open up the sales order and it will show you all of the items that the retailer ordered from your warehouse. Now, once we are inside of there, we want to place this barcode for this sales order 001, onto the case that you are packing. That way, the shipper will be able to know what's inside of that case. Alright, so for this video, I will be using this Raisin brand box to pack my items, just as an example. So I will place that sales order number right there, okay? And that is for the first case. And you want to write that. You want to make sure that you write down the total number of cases and which one this is. We don't know the total number of cases, but we know this is the first of a series of cases. If we only pack one case, we will put 1 of 1. So we will find out and we will write that number later. All right. First, scan your first item. Okay, there it is. Beep. Press that scan button. Okay, and then click the pack button on the right there. Now, let's say I can only fit one of these inside of the case. All right, after I verify that that is the correct product, yes, it's a Westcott scissor, assorted color, but I can only fit one inside of this case. Let's say that's true. So I put that one in, I type in the quantity, okay, and then I click pack. And then at this point, I can create a new case where I will click on the plus button, or click on new, and now it says case number 2. Now with your Sharpie marker, you would write that same sales order. It's the same sales order, but we just have another case. Okay, and later on we will write the total number. So I've written sales order 001, 2 of, and this of course is useful for the shipper. He needs this information in order to do his job. So I place that onto case number 2. Okay, so there you go. Okay, and now I can scan the product. So I put my product in front of the scanner. I click the scan button. Beep. Okay, there you go. Yes, that's the one I want. Okay, and it says 1 each. I click the pack button. Yes, I'm going to put 1 into case number 2. All right, good. And then I click enter or the pack button. And there we go. At the bottom it says WST 080 has been packed. So right now on my scanner, it says I am in case 2. And you see 2 of. This is case 2 for that sales order. But I want to pack more items into case 1. So you can click on the drop-down menu. Okay, you can select case 1. And now with case 1 here, okay, now I have case 1. I can scan the next product. So, and it's this one right here. I put that in front of the scanner lens, click on the scan button, beep. Okay, and then I click the pack button. So now for this one, we have 3 of these no-name plastic spoons. But let's say I only want to put 2 into case number 1. Well, here I have 3 serial numbers used for tracking purposes. So I'm going to need to type in 2 and then select the the serial number that I'm going to remove. So let's look at that. This one is the 43901539. We're going to keep that one. Okay, I'm going to put that into the case. Put that in there. Let's see. This is the 43901540. I'm going to leave this one out. I'll put that to the side. And then I'm going to make sure this matches. I have the 43901541. That's also going in. So it's very important that you keep very close attention with those serial numbers to avoid mistakes. Once everything is matching, you click that X button so that you remove that 1540. Okay, now it says 2 of 2 at the bottom, and you click Pack. Okay, so let's say carton 1 and carton 2 are full. So then you'd want to create a new carton, right? So on your scanner, you click the plus sign. Okay, that makes number 3. You could also click on the drop-down menu, and there is case number 3. You could click on it there. And of course, you want to write that down. Make sure what's happening physically is matching what is happening electronically. So I put in that same sales order number, S001, and this is case 3 of, we'll find out what that total number is. Okay, so I have that. Okay, and now I will label my last case here. Okay, this one's a shoebox. So now it is labeled, and now I can scan that last set of plastic spoons, the NNM205. I put that in front of my scanner lens, and I click the yellow scan button. Beep. Okay, good. It's there. And now that's right. That matches. Let's click Pack. And so now we are going to verify and double check that this description is correct. These are 12. This is a 12 pack of plastic spoons. And the serial number matches 43901540. Okay, great. At the bottom it says 1 of 1. We only want to put 1 in. And then if we're happy with that, first you put the item in, and then you click the Pack button, or you press Enter. Okay, now in this case, our default printer is the label printer. And so a packing list would be 8.5 by 11 inches rather than 2 by 4 inches. So that is not what we want. We want to print that packing list manually. So select No, and at the bottom you'll notice that it says that the WST0 or the NNM205 was packed, and then it will say that you finished sales order 001. So that's how you do everything from the scanner perspective. Now don't forget that we need to say what the total number of boxes are so that the shipper can do batch shipping. So this is case 3 of 3. This here is case 1 of 3. Okay, good. For sales order 001, all for sales order 001, and that will be 2 of 3. Okay, now we are ready to go into Excel. Inside of Microsoft Excel, inside of our warehouse management system, we would do the same thing. We would type in our sales order number, which is S001, and then we would press Enter, and all of that information about the sales order would be inputted. This is the pack sheet here, and so it shows us the same products, the quantity ordered, and then for packed it's 0, and then it says that we started the pack and that there are 2 and 3 remaining. So I would go down to this part here, and then I would enter that product. Let's pick some of those of the scissors. All right, and I could pack any quantity into any case I wanted. I could pack, let's say, 1 into case 1, carton 1, and then it would keep track of it up here. Okay, and I would, as I did that, I would make sure my actions with the warehouse management system matches what's happening here, right? Okay, so you do the same thing. I could put, of the same product, I could put, there were, how many are remaining? There's one remaining. I could put one into carton 3 if I wanted. I could change it up. There's nothing stopping me from doing that. So once you do that, so make sure you always match what you're doing in the warehouse management system with what you are doing physically, okay? And so that way you can avoid lots of errors. Okay, I'm going to put the rest of them into S001, the box 2 of 3. I'm going to put all 3 of the plastic spoons. So let's select that. Okay, there we go. I select the spoons and I'm going to put all 3 of them into carton 2. Okay, so another tip is that you first pack before you make any adjustments in the warehouse management system. That way you make sure everything fits. So now it says packed, and then if I look over here, we have a summary of where everything is. We have 1 scissor in case 1, 1 scissor in case 3, and 3 spoons in case 2. All right. So if you found that video interesting, and if you want to learn about the next process, shipping, then please join us for video 4 of 4 about warehousing from home. And if you are a newcomer to Canada and you are interested in learning some warehousing skills, please email us or call us, and we will try and help you out. Thank you so much.